So guys, Coindeal Market start propagate his own cryptocurrency, and now we have opportunity to grab for free their tokens. Like you see, they have 15 million CDL tokens for free, and you can grab something for you. What we need to do? You need to create an account on Coindeal Market if you want to get some free tokens. If you doesn't have account on CoinDeal, I left link for CoinDeal Market in description. Next, you need to log in to your account and push button get free tokens. Here we pushing claim free tokens, and that's all. Congratulations for us, we got some tokens. We can check this in wallet. Like you see, CDL and my amount, available amount, CoinDeal token. Simply, easy, and we'll see. Maybe we change this CDL tokens in future in some kind of money. Thank you for watching and see you in the next movie.